Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys X3 and you need to clean your Vanos Solenoid intake or exhaust Vanos Solenoid. Let's say you have service engine light on, code related to Vanos or timing retarded or timing problems guys. We'll explain how to clean that, and that way you may actually even save it and not buy one. Okay, 7 out of 10 times that we do that at the shop, it solves our problem and we don't need to buy a solenoid. All the tools, parts, cleaner, and even if you need to buy a new Vanos solenoid, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so definitely guys, please check it out. Now, before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission to the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing that free information to you. So let us show you guys what we need to do and how we are going to clean that Vanos solenoid. This is the N52 engine that can be found on BMW X3, 3 Series, 5 Series, multiple BMWs. But doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, gasoline, diesel engine, clinic, Vanos solenoid, it's practically the same and they look something like that guys. This is the solenoid that changes where the oil flows and that changes the the variable timing of your car. But before we start, let me guys introduce you quick. This channel right here, Auto Repair guys, this is our main channel. We have helped more than 71 million people, so quite helpful information that can save you guys, by the way, thousands of dollars on repair. So subscribe, you will definitely find information that can be helpful and save you money. So that's the solenoid. In order to clean it correctly, what we need to do guys, we need to actually go ahead and circulate it open and close, and while we're doing that, we're going to be cleaning it. Okay, what we'll be using right here, throttle, body and air intake cleaner. Then we'll use some engine oil. We'll explain about all that as we go. We need to get some alligator clips. We'll put the links for all that in the description of the video below, and we're going to go ahead and connect the alligator clips to the two wires guys. Now, why we're using those clips? Because it's super important that these two wires do not touch each other. If they do, you can say bye-bye to your solenoid. You will automatically burn it guys. Now, we've done that in the past until we learn how to properly do it, but when we guys actually connect them, polarity doesn't matter, positive and negative doesn't matter. You can even switch the wires and it will still open and close. Okay, you can see with no problem. So now let's go ahead and start cleaning that. Okay, we have the wires connected and you're going to see that the solenoid will open and close when you apply 12-volt supply. So what we're going to do while it's opening and closing, I'm going to spray through each of the holes. Okay, check out all the stuff coming out. Okay, that's very bad guys. So let's keep it open now, 12-volt constant supply. Okay, I'm going to spray each of the holes. Okay, check it out guys. Okay, all that is gunk coming out of it. Now let's do that a few times through the holes guys, and you need to do that for about probably 1 to 2 minutes. Open it. Okay, and you can see how much more came out. Okay, now on the front guys, right here there is another one. So let's open it again. Okay, let's tilt it this way a little bit. Perfect. Let's spray a little bit more now. Okay, and you can see it keeps coming out, but actually guys, it gets really clean to the point, and you'll be able to hear a louder knock when you're finished, when you apply 12-volt supply. Next, we're going to get a little bit of oil, engine oil. We use leaky moly guys, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. That's the oil that we use in our BMWs. It works really good. And we're going to apply a little bit of oil, and we're going to open and close so we can lubricate, before we install it back on the car. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to install, just pour a little bit of oil through the holes. Move it again. Okay, to make sure, you can still see some dirt coming out. But definitely guys, it will be a better working Vanos solenoid after that. So pretty much guys, that's how we clean it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.